Okay.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating or drinking, no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your devices on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Now calling the matter of the people versus Patrick Winsky. This is ticket number P1253609. This is count 1, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. Count 2, possession of drug paraphernalia prohibited. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts, P78607 on behalf of Mr. Wisniewski. Your Honor, today's date and time set for an arraignment. I'll waive from reading, stand mute, and enter not guilty plea on behalf of my client. I'll also ask that the court waive my client's presence and set this matter for a pretrial.
And you have permission to waive your client's presence today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, at this time, the court is going to allow your client's presence to be waived. I am going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. And set this matter, you said for a pretrial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Want to set this matter for a pretrial on the date of July 14th. Check your calendars. 2022.
That works, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to put it at 8:30 a.m. instead of the PM time. I'm going to set his bond at $0 personal. Okay. And we'll see him back that day and that time, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. And congratulations, Judge Evans, on your appointment. Nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mr. Potts. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. You all have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Nathan, well,
Yeah,
hello, sir. Turn your camera on, please. Hi, are you Nathan Williams?
yeah.
Okay. All right, sir, I have you checked in.
Okay.
Mr. Williams, you're going to go into what's called a breakout room. It's a place where you will be on the screen all by yourself, and an attorney will come in and talk to you about your case and about your rights. You may be there for a while because he has a lot of defendants to talk to, but please do not log off of Zoom, and please do not ask for help to find out if we forgot about you or if you're in the right place, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. So just press join when you receive that invitation.
Okay.
Okay. Austin. Expiration 2021. Still. Why are you on the papers?
How we doing, Attorney DiMaggio?
Yes.
So how are we doing?
We've interviewed them all, and we've talked to 5 with the offers. We just said they can need 3 more offers.
Okay.
Thanks.
Let me do the 5 offers. Let me make sure I have the right ones. Do you have Tammy Walton,
Yes.
Ayana Williams,
Yes.
Jake Wesley,
Yes.
Mardia Williams,
Yes.
and Deetra Whitley?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna bring them all out so we can do
All right,
those.
thanks.
No problem. Please keep your phone on mute until I call your matter.
Hello?
Hello? Hold on a second, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Walton, I'm gonna call your matter first, okay? Press *6 on your phone, *6. Now calling the matter of People versus Tammy Walton. This is ticket number P1256626. 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number P1256611. 1 count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Gotta unmute yourself, Mr. DiMaggio.
Hello?
Sorry.
There you go.
Andrew DiMaggio on behalf of Tammy Walton, who is present on the
And
phone.
Ms. Walton, can
Yes.
you please state your name for the record?
My name is Tammy Walton.
It's the date time set for an arraignment. How are we proceeding, Attorney DiMaggio?
Stand mute, wait for reading information, and there's been an offer by the prosecutor, and Ms. Walton wishes to avail herself of it, Your Honor.
This time the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf, but Ms. Walton, it's my understanding you want to take advantage of the offer today?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Walton, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna take your attention back to the date of September the 29th of 2021. Were you in the area of Jefferson, East Jefferson, and Randolph Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney DiMaggio?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, the court is satisfied as well. He's going to enter a plea to one count. The amended charge is improper plate. The remaining ticket, which is a civil infraction, the court is going to dismiss. That's ticket P1256611. Ms. Walton, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Can I please get 60? Because I'm in the process of trying to move with a Section 8 voucher, and I have 30 days to do that. So 60 will really help me out a lot, because I need 2,100 to move into a property with my Section 8 voucher.
Okay. Is 60 days gonna be enough time, ma'am?
You said 60?
Yeah, is that gonna be enough time? 60. Okay, I'm gonna give you 90 days. I'm gonna have it due July 26, 2022, okay?
Thank you so much. That would be wonderful. I was trying to look at the calendar, but thank you for understanding. I definitely, because I'll be moved in the house and everything, that would definitely help me a lot. Thank you.
Absolutely. So we'll give you a little bit of extra time. I understand when you're moving, it's a little tight. So I'll give you some extra time to be able to come up with that money, okay?
Thank you so much. Yes, because it's been very tough. Thank you for understanding. I'm very grateful.
Oh, no problem, ma'am, okay? Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you, and you stay blessed as well.
Thank you. I will. Thank you so much.
Hello?
Hello? You good, ma'am? You can log off.
Okay, I just want to ask, can you give me the
Yeah.
date, or will I get a letter in the mail again with the date that I'll have? You say to July 26th?
You won't get anything in the mail, so you may want to write it down, just to know.
Oh, okay, okay, and you said July 26th, I have to pay my 200.
Yes, you have to pay it by that point in time. So you can make small payments on it if you have it. You can pay it at 36th District Court. You can go down.
Okay.
You can pay it online. You can pay it at the DIV machines. You can do any of that, okay?
Okay, and I put down, I put July 20th just to give me, a few days, but thank you so much, and
Yes.
I appreciate the judge. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Oh, no problem. All right. You have a good day, okay? Juan's iPhone, I hope you're not driving. You cannot drive while you're on Zoom. That is a hazard to the court, and we cannot allow you to do that, so please pull over. Now, Ms. Williams, I've already sent you a message privately about you sitting up in court and like making sure that this is a court session.
Can't sit up. I had major knee surgery, so it's hard for me to sit up. I just had knee surgery Tuesday.
I think she had a knee replacement, Judge. So it's tough for.
All right, now calling the people versus Mardia Williams.
Yes.
P257-486. Count 1, drive at a speed too fast for the conditions of the school zone. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number P1257514. One count driving while license suspended. Warren State. All right, appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please this honorable court, Andrew DiMaggio on behalf of Marty F. Williams, who is present on Zoom, Your Honor.
And ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
Mardia Williams.
This is a date and time set for an arraignment on the information. How do you want to move forward?
Your Honor, stand mute, waive formal reading of the information.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Your Honor, there has been an offer by the prosecution that Ms. Williams wishes to avail herself of.
All right, if so, Ms. Williams, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Are you do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going
Yes.
to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date of September the 29th, 2021. Were you in the area of East Auto Drive and Ryan Roads in the city of Detroit driving a Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that Jeep vehicle, did you drive it at a rate too fast for the conditions, it being a school zone?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Judge.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining count to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of speed 40 in the 35-mile-per-hour zone. On count 1, dismiss count 2, and dismiss ticket P1257514 at this time. How long are you going to be out of work, Ms. Williams?
They told me I'll be out of work for like 12 to 16 weeks.
All right, at this time, the court needs to call another matter, P817872. This is a case that's currently in warrant status for Ms. Williams. This was a matter that she pled guilty on back on January 17th of 2017. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Andrew DiMaggio, P45619, on behalf of Marty Williams.
All right, ma'am, state your name for the record.
Mardia Williams.
All right. You owe $326. The court is going to set aside the warrant that's out there for you. Ma'am, you have to pay. No, she's gone. I'll give her a second to try and sign back on. If not, we'll just pass her matter and come back to it.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Right. We'll pass this matter and come back to it if she signs back on. Her phone may have died. Miss Anitra Whitley?
Hello?
Hello? Okay, I'm gonna call you matter, okay?
Uh-huh.
Now calling for people versus Anitra Whiteley. This is ticket number P 1254714. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Andrew DiMaggio on behalf of Anita Whitley, who should be present on Zoom. You state your name for the record.
Anitra Whitley.
This is the date time set for an arraignment on the information.
And mute, wait for a reading of the information, Judge.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, this is a situation where she was driving a company vehicle. Is it possible to get this case rescheduled not far out and she could have all the documentation from her boss?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
How much time does she need for that? How much time do you need this week?
30 days, I think, would be doing it.
How about May 31st? Would that give you enough time, ma'am? Okay. I'm gonna set a pretrial on the date of May 31st. It's gonna be in the morning instead, though, at 8:30 a.m. Via Zoom, though. Yep, write it down. Same number and everything, okay? Pen yet? Let me know. Take your time.
I gotta send it to myself into my phone.
Now do it. Do it right now, because I don't want you to forget.
Okay. So May 31st at what time?
8:30 a.m. via Zoom.
8:30 a.m. Okay.
Okay. Send yourself a note. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Make sure you have all the documentation, okay, ma'am?
Okay. Yep. I just sent it to myself.
Okay, excellent. So I'll see you back May 31st, 8:30 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You too, baby.
Thank you. Mr. Wesley, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jake Wesley. This is ticket number P 1249863. 1 count reckless driving. Count 2, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. Count 3, disobey lawful order of a police officer. Also calling ticket number P 1249911. Count 1, straddling traffic lines. Count 2, disregard signal red or amber. Sorry. Appearances for the record, starting with attorney, please.
Andrew DiMaggio on behalf of Jake Wesley, who is present on Zoom. Could you state your name for the record?
Jake Wesley.
This is a time set for an arraignment.
Stand mute, wait for a reading of the information, Your Honor.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, my client drives for a living. 4 points would be very bad for his driving career. He would like this matter set for a bench trial, or if not the bench trial, then another pre-trial.
Okay. You want a bench trial, Mr. Wesley?
Yes, because the only thing I did that day was ran the red light.
Okay. Okay. If you tell me more of the story, then I'm not gonna be able to have a bench trial. You're gonna have to have a jury trial. And jury trials, I don't even have any dates this year. So stop talking. I know you want to explain everything. But raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You put your hand down. Mr. Wesley, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Based on the law, I will make a decision. That's how you want to move forward?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on August the 18th, August 18th, 2022. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. Well, let me ask you this, since I saw you roll your eyes, because I can see everything. Are you not working right now because of these tickets?
I am working, Your Honor.
Okay. That's just a further what date than you anticipated?
Yeah, I wish it could be a lot sooner than August. I mean, it already done been 6 months.
It has been a while. I did look at the ticket to see how long ago it was. My May is completely booked, but let me see what my June looks like.
Okay.
Okay, June 16th, okay? How about that?
16 what?
June,
June.
yes. 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you back then.
Okay, see.
Thank you, Judge.
Moto G Power. Moto G Power. I tried to get Miss Williams in here. She didn't come, so if you want to go talk to the rest of the folks, you can, okay?
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Yes, my phone had lost signal.
I figured as much, ma'am.
Yes, my phone had dropped signal, Your Honor.
Miss Sandy.
Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna recall this matter for you.
okay.
All right. Recalling the matter of Pete versus Marty Williams. That would be ticket number P 1257486 She's already pled guilty to the amended charge of 40 and a 35-mile-per-hour zone. Also, we're taking out a warrant status ticket number P817872. She just simply owes some money on that ticket. Appearances once again for the record, Attorney DiMaggio.
Andrew DiMaggio, on behalf of Martia Williams, who's present on Zoom.
And Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record again?
Mardia Williams.
All right. So I was letting you know when you got disconnected that you owe $326 for a previous ticket. That you need to
Okay.
pay. Typically my fine is $200. You'll be out of work for quite some time though. So you won't be going back for, it sounds like about 3 to 4 months.
Yes.
Well, this is a civil infraction, so I have to impose the fine, but I'll give you some time to be able to pay on it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So the fine for this civil infraction is $125.
Okay.
Do you think you can have that paid in 90 days, or you gonna need more time than that?
In 90 days, I think I'll have it paid in 90 days.
Okay, I'll give you 90 days just in case something happens. But I know sometimes the unforeseeable happens, especially after you've had surgery. But $125, okay, due by July the 26th. Also, you have this other case out here that you need to pay $326. Now, that's not due at the same time, but I did take off the warrant status, so it's just gonna be out there, and it may prevent you from getting your license because it's one of those failure to display cases. Okay.
So I have to pay the 326 before I can go up for my license again.
I'm pretty sure. Yes.
Okay. I could try to work on that by next month.
Okay, I was gonna say work on that because you're gonna have to pay that, and then any other reinstatement fees. Typically they're for the driving, so like driving while license suspended. But if you go on, like say you go on Friday on 36districtcourt.org and look on the look your case up in there, it'll tell you how many fees and costs you owe, so you can know exactly.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. You take care of your knee, ma'am, and I hope you feel better, okay?
Thank you.
Welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Take care.
Okay. Moto G Power, can you hear us? Moto G Power, man in the black Nike swoosh.
Judge, I'm gonna remove him so he can log back on using audio.
I know, because he's not hearing us at all. Can you hear us, Moto G Power? Sir. Sir, in the black.
No.
Black. Can you hear us? Yes, you.
I'll remove him. Maybe he'll sign back in using audio.
Okay, you gotta use audio.
Juan's iPhone. Juan's iPhone. Please unmute your device.
Yes.
Hello,
Yes.
turn your camera on, please.
Okay.
Okay, what's your,
I didn't hear you.
okay, I'll come right back to you. Let me try to deal with this person. Back. Did we just have him call in, Judge? Because he,
Yes, he can call in.
yeah, because he's looking at, he's still confused, looking at the sign. I'll send him the message. Well, it might be easier for him to, well, can he call the courtroom? Because I'll have to put in the code and everything if I type it in.
Yeah, he can just call the courtroom. We can direct him.
Okay. Oh, sir, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, good. You're all set then. You don't have to call the
I
courtroom.
can't hear. What did you
Okay.
say? Oh,
Ron's iPhone, hold on one moment, please.
okay.
Okay, now the person who said that you can hear us, what is your name, please?
Devonta Williams.
Dante Williams, okay. Oh,
Why you just now signing on, Mr. Williams?
Because on my ticket, it never gave me a Zoom ID to call in. I mean to Zoom in, so I had to call down to the court, and she just gave me my Zoom number.
okay, Mr. Williams, I have you, I'm checked in. Okay, now, the person who's on Juan's iPhone, what is your name, please?
Juwan Wilson.
Okay, Mr. Wilson.
He was apparently already in the breakout room, so.
Yeah. Mr. Wilson, will you please remove your hat?
Yes.
Okay. And the the one who was having problems signing in or getting audio together, what is your name again, please?
Devonta Williams.
Yes, okay, thank you. Does anybody else see his name on here? I see a Devonta Williams. Got it. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Wilson, you were already in a breakout room. Let's see, no, it's not. Okay, Mr. Wilson and Mr. Williams, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Mr. Wilson, you already have your instructions, but Mr. Williams, you're going to be there for a little while. You'll be there all by yourself. The attorney will come in to talk with you. But please do not log off of Zoom or ask for help, or if you're in the right place while you're in the breakout room. Okay? Got it. All right, when you receive the invitation, please press join.
you all set, or you still need to talk to a couple more people?
I think I've talked to everyone. There's one name I couldn't find. It was a newer one, but I talked to everyone else.
Okay, who was the name you didn't talk to? Let me know.
Was it Brandon, something like that?
I have a Willie Williams. You talked to Willie Williams?
Yes.
Elijah Willis,
Yes.
Demetria Young,
Yes.
Dewan Wilson,
Yes.
and Devonta Williams.
Yes.
Okay, that's all I have.
That's it.
So,
Okay. Thanks.
yeah, those are all the people I had. Talked to all of them, so I'm gonna close out the phone.
Thank you. Congratulations to the
Thank you. I
congratulations
appreciate
to
it.
the judge next to you. Yes, I've been in the referee there before. Thank you.
Oh, yeah. How are you, Mr. DiMaggio?
Good, good, good to see you again, Judge.
Good to see you. Hey, everyone, please keep your phone on mute until I call your case. Please remember that this is a courtroom and that you have a hat on. Hold on, everybody, I'm gonna ask you to mute. If you have a hat on or anything like that, you need to make sure that you have your hat off, that we can see you. Please govern yourself as if you were in a courtroom at this point in time. Please don't do a lot of, Mr. Willis, this is court. You can't eat, you can't drink. This is like you're sitting in 36th District Court right now, okay? I can see everybody. Please try and be as still as possible while you're doing this, so that we can be able to get through this afternoon, okay? Ayana Williams? You can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matters of people versus Ayana Williams. This is ticket number P699364. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance. Also calling ticket number P12566946. Count 1, expired plate. Ticket number P12566945. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P195168. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. That last ticket called is in warrant status. The rest of them are here today. The last 2 tickets may be in warrant status. The other tickets are arraignments on the information. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Andrew DiMaggio on behalf of Ayana Williams, who is present on Zoom.
Ms. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Ayana Williams.
Today's the date and time for an arraignment as well as a arraignment on a bench warrant. How do you want to proceed, attorney?
Your Honor, we would stand mute, wait for formal reading of the information.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'm also going to set aside any bench warrants that may be out there on your client. Yeah, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, the docket only listed 1, 2, 3 tickets, but the offer listed numerous tickets, and we just wanted to know where the other tickets came from.
They were in warrant status. So the tickets that I called, that was a P12 56945 and 56946. Those are on the docket, but she also had some additional tickets that were failure to appear that she had bench warrants. So I just always call on the tickets so that they don't drive around with warrants in the system after they come to court.
That's what I figured, Judge. We just wanted to get a verification of that.
So how does she want to proceed in these matters? They're all being dismissed, it looks like. She takes the plea.
I think she would like to take that plea, Your Honor. I did discuss the plea with her.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
Yes.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 29th of 2021. Were you in the area of Morange and Dutchess Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were in that area, did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle?
No.
And then also, were the plates expired at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney DiMaggio?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading on ticket P 12566946. I'm going to amend also ticket P 12569445, count 2, to improper place, dismiss count 1, dismiss ticket P 699364, counts 1 and 2, and ticket number P 195168, the count on that ticket. Ms. Williams, the blockading fine is $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay civil infractions. Is that going to be enough time for you to pay that?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to make that due no later than May 11th, 2022. On the remaining ticket, I'm going to assess a fine in the amount of $200. How long do you need to pay that? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Sure that's going to be enough time, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll give you until June 27th, no, that's 60 days. May 26th, 2022 to have that paid. Okay,
Okay.
that's just like 2 weeks apart. Is that gonna be enough time for you to come up with that additional 200?
Yes.
Okay, all right, I just wanna make sure. I don't want you to get any late calls or fines, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
All right, just take care of your tickets. All right, you're all set. Thank you for your patience today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Willie Williams?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Willie Williams. This is ticket number P 1258398. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive a registered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Andrew DiMaggio on behalf of Willie Williams. Mr. Williams, could you state your name for the record?
Oh, Willie Williams.
All right, this is the date time set for an arraignment. How are we proceeding?
Stand mute, waive formal reading of the information, Judge.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. What are we doing?
Your Honor, there's been an offer and Mr. Williams wishes to avail himself of it.
Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
So please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you put your hand down. Mr. Williams, did you opportunity, you okay? You all right?
Oh yeah, I'm kind of cold. I'm battling, but yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, all right, I just want to make sure you're all right. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty to your choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
My mask.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward today?
I couldn't hear you.
I know, I'm sorry, Ms. Young's phone went off mute. Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 8th of 2021. Were you in the area of Livernois and West Davidson in the city of Detroit driving a Cadillac vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney DiMaggio?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to as charged to count 3 of ticket P 1258398. Dismiss counts 1 and 2. Mr. Williams, are you currently employed?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200.
Judge, I'm sorry to interrupt, but when you said the count that you're going to dismiss, he coughed and I couldn't hear it.
Okay, I'm dismissing counts 1 and 2.
Can you take the Judge? Because I stopped writing, trying to get your attention.
Okay, all
All
right.
right, thank you.
At this time, the court is going to dismiss counts 1 and 2 of ticket P 1258398 at this point in time. Mr. Williams, are you currently employed?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay?
All right, about just 2 weeks.
All right, I'm going to give you 30 days, okay?
Okay.
So it's going to be due no later than May 26, 2022, okay?
All right. You can pay that online, right?
Yes, you can at 36districtcourt.org, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, I hope you feel better, Mr. Williams, okay? Take care of yourself, please.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, there's nothing
Okay.
further that concludes this hearing. Juwan, he keeps putting his hat on. Mr. Wilson, I'm gonna let you go last today. You seem like you got other stuff that's more important and you want to take care of that. So keep doing what you're doing.
I am at work. But I mean, I wasn't in the. Yeah.
I am too.
Yeah, I know. I wasn't in the camera. I just happened to walk back over to the camera with my hat on still. I ain't got no haircut, so there's people here. I mean, I ain't want to just be walking around with my hat off. I apologize. You know, but like I said, I wasn't just sitting in the camera with my hat on. Every time you gonna ask me to take it off, I done took it off. I done forgot. That's all.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Juwan Wilson. This is ticket number P 1250906. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, failure to use the seatbelt assembly system 1985. Also calling ticket number P 1267669. Count 1, open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Andrew DiMaggio, on behalf of Juwan Wilson, who is present on Zoom, could you state your name for the record?
I'm Juwan Wilson.
This is the
Your
day
Honor.
concept. Arraignment, yes.
Sorry.
Go ahead, Mr. Attorney DiMaggio.
No, I was waiting for you to say for the warrant. I jumped the gun on it. Sorry.
No, it's okay. There is a warrant on one of the tickets, P 1267669. There's a warrant. Thank you for bringing that to my attention.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The court is going to enter pleas of not guilty on his behalf, and I'm going to the other ticket is in show cause still. He just missed a court date, Mr. Attorney DiMaggio, so he's not quite yet in warrant status. It's just show
Okay,
cause.
thank you, Judge.
No problem. I was just checking to see what it was. So we're gonna try and handle it all at the same time. I'm gonna enter pleas of not guilty on your client's behalf. How did you want to proceed today?
Your Honor, this is a factual dispute by Mr. Wilson. Do we have this set for a bench trial?
That's fine. Mr. Wilson, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down, sir. Did you have an opportunity to speak with the attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And he's informed informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set this on the date of August 18th. Write that down. August 18th is gonna be via Zoom, so the same way you zoomed in, but it's gonna be at 9 a.m., okay? I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. Okay?
Okay.
I'll see you back then. So August the 18th of this year, 2022, 9 a.m., $0 personal, okay?
Okay, August 18th. Okay, at 9 a.m. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Demetria Young? Unmute yourself, please.
Demetria Young.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Demetria Young. This is ticket number P1314293. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Andrew DiMaggio, on behalf of Demetria Young, who's present on Zoom.
Can you state your name for the record, please, ma'am?
Demetria Young.
This is the date and time set for, I believe, arraignment on the other two matters. At least on count 1 is an arraignment.
Stand midway forwarding information.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf. It's my understanding, though, that there is a dismissal, Mr. DiMaggio, because she has paid the civil infraction. The other civil infraction went into default, I believe, but the court is going to take that out and add it to this plea and dismiss that as well. You're all set, Ms. Young.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Oh, Your Honor, can I say one thing real fast?
Absolutely.
When I was on the phone with you last time I had the court date, I couldn't hear you. I wasn't trying to frustrate you. I didn't know how to work this thing. So I wasn't trying to be disrespectful to you at all. I couldn't hear you at all. I didn't know how to do Zoom.
Oh, that's okay. Do you have another court date coming up then, or is this it?
No, this is it. But the last time you had hung up on me and I didn't want you to think that I was being rude, but I didn't know how to work Zoom.
It's okay. Sometimes they don't know. I know we may come off rude too, but it's just that we can't spend a whole lot of time trying to figure out what's going on, you know, and we got to just kind of keep it moving on. And we don't want people on here who may cause disturbances. You know, sometimes people come on here just to say random things and then hop off. So we just have to.
I understand.
It's okay, Ms. Young. I was saying your case got dismissed because you took care of the civil infraction. So you're all set, but I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. You have a good day, okay?
You too.
I would thank you. Mr. Elijah Willis?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Elijah Willis. This is ticket number P56872. Count 1, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no valid registration. Ticket number P1256871. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number or case number SP1253438. Count 1, drove while license suspended. And ticket number SP1253441. One count disregard a red signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
I may please this honorable court, Andrew DiMaggio, on behalf of Elijah Willis. State name for the record.
Oh, you said say my name?
Yes.
Elijah Willis.
Mr. Willis, can you stop moving? Could you just like sit still for a moment, put the phone someplace?
Yeah, I was trying to find my tickets that you was calling out. I was trying to find them what I did with them.
Look for them and then let you ready.
I'm sorry?
I said look for them and let me know when you're ready.
1 second. Okay. Yeah, I got them now. Did you say one that ended in 01 and 81?
01 and 81. Yes, those matters are not up until May. But we're trying to handle them today as well, unless you want to come back.
No. I want to take care of them today. That's what I was trying to figure out if I have to come back in May. That's why I was trying to find the tickets. Okay, but yeah, I'm all set now.
Get your tickets pulled, okay?
Okay.
Attorney DiMaggio, how does your client stand at this time to the arraignment?
Oh, Your Honor, he stands mute and waives formal reading of the information.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. How are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, there has been a plea tendered by the prosecutor, and I discussed this with Mr. Willis. He wishes to avail himself of it.
Is that right, Mr. Willis?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, put your hand down. Mr. Willis, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your right?
Yes.
He's informing me you want to take advantage of this offer. It's a plea of responsible. What that means is I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis, and then I'm going to give you the fine that goes with that. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. So on the date of September the 29th, 2021, in the area of Evergreen and Elmira Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Willis was driving a Chrysler vehicle and did exceed the speed limit posted, doing 40 and a 30, as well as he blocked traffic. Satisfied, Attorney DiMaggio?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, and is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter into a plea to the amended charge of 40 in the 30-mile-per-hour zone, blockading traffic. I'm going to dismiss ticket P 1256871, ticket SP 123. Start again, SP 1253431, and SP 1253441. All right. The fine, these are both civil infractions. So the fine for 10 over is $135, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, $135. The blockading is $175. So that's a total of $210. No, $310. $310. That amount is due in 14 days. Are you gonna be able to pay that in 14 days, sir?
No, I'm not working right now. I'm gonna need a little bit more time.
Okay, I'm gonna give you some more time, but let me also tell you, Mr. Willis, that you have quite a few other tickets sitting out there that you need to pay as well. Okay?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Okay, so on the civil infractions, I'm gonna give you some additional time since you're not working. I'll give you until June 27th, 2022. That way, the rest of your tickets that are sitting out there, you can pay those whenever, but this won't be forever, that you try not to pay these tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right, that gives you 2 months, okay, Mr. Willis?
Okay.
You think you can try and come up with that much money in 2 months?
Yeah, I'm doing my best.
That sound real confident, Mr. Willis.
Yes.
I said, that doesn't sound real confident, Mr. Willis.
Yeah, I'm gonna be able to pay it.
Okay. If I give you 3 months, are you really gonna be able to pay it?
Yeah, 3 months would be better. That way I won't have to rush.
All right, I'm giving you till July 26th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. There's no here that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I'm all done.
You're all done, Mr. Willis. You can sign off, okay?
Okay, and the one that I was supposed to attend in May, I don't have to attend that one anymore, right?
You don't. We took care of it today, Mr. Willis, so you're all set. You don't have to come back for those 2 tickets.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Nadia, I don't know if you spoke to Devonta. You had a Nathan Williams, but he signed off. I don't know where he went.
I did speak to Devonta Williams.
You did? Okay. Offers improper plates. Was that relayed to him or did?
I believe he has documentation, Judge, but I don't know at this late date with no prosecutor, can he show it to anyone?
No, it's fine. You have your license now, Mr. Williams?
Yes, I have my permit.
I said license.
I don't have my license.
Okay, how long is it gonna take you to get your license?
Probably less than a month.
Okay. I'm gonna adjourn this thing because I need to see the license, right? Not just the permit. Is that right, Attorney Gillis?
Okay.
License, not the permit?
That is correct.
Okay, all right. But I'm gonna call this on the record because we need to talk about this other case that's a warrant status. Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of people versus Devonta Williams. This is ticket number P1259031. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling in warrant status U ticket 31040016. 1 count of disorderly conduct. That's from 2016. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Andrew DiMaggio on behalf of Devonta Williams, who is present on Zoom. Could you state your name for the record?
My name is Devonta Williams.
All right. This is the date time set for an arraignment on ticket number P1259031 and a arraignment on a bench warrant on U ticket 31040016.
Stand mute, wait for him reading the information.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'm going to set aside the warrant that is out here. On ticket number P1259031, it's my understanding that the defendant wants a little bit more time for a pretrial. I'm going to set this for a pretrial on the date of July 14th, 2022. Sir, that's going to be at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal Hopefully you'll have your license by then and you'll still have your car insurance and you can present it to the court, okay?
Okay.
All right, as far as the U ticket, sir, it was a U ticket that you fled to back in 2016, and you were to do some tasks. You paid all your costs and fine, so I see that was completed. You were supposed to attend the class. Did you end up attending the class you were supposed to take?
Yeah, I've been had to take class.
It's showing that you didn't attend it. Do you have anything that shows you attended the class?
No, because it was so long. It was so long ago.
Yeah. Did you do the testing as well?
The test.
Yeah, I see. Hold on, never mind. I see you provided proof. Never mind.
Okay.
Okay, I got that. I got you paid cost and fine. I see you paid everything. Give me 1 second, okay, Mr. Williams? I'm trying to figure out what you missed. Looking at the ROA. Give me 1 second.
No problem.
This is saying that you didn't take any of it, sir. My last notes in the computer system say that you must attend 2 remaining courses on or before 6/2/2017. What happened?
What was the case for again?
It was a disorderly conduct. It was amended from offer to engage in the services of another for the act.
Yes, I had took my classes for that.
Okay.
I had to go to 4 classes.
Do you remember where
I
you
completed
went?
them.
Do you
It was
remember
down
where
in
you went to
Southwest.
Okay.
It was down in
Here's what
Southwest at the church.
Yep. Here's what I want you to do between now and your review date for the pre-trial. Can you call it's called Southwest Solutions. Southwest Solutions, and see if they have a record of you attending class and if they can just send it to you via email.
Oh yes. You said Southwest Solution?
Yes, you said you went to a church in Southwest. Southwest Solutions kind of runs that, Southwest Detroit. So
Okay.
call them and see if they still have record of you attending that class. And if you can bring it next time, then I can close it out. Because that was the last thing it said in here, is that you didn't return to show the proof. So it's been a warrant out since June 6th of 2017, just so you know, for this case.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
I'll set it to you. Okay. Okay, so on this case, the UK 310400016, the court is going to put a 0 personal bond out there for that.
Okay.
And I'm going to just set it to be reviewed to provide paperwork And I'll do it the same day, July 14th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m., okay?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, sir. All right, you're all set.
You have a good one.
You too, Mr. Williams, all right?